Good morning to everyone, student. So today we are going to see exercise 4.2 from chapter number 4, practical geometry. And in the previous video we had already completed our exercise 4.1. Hope you people understood. So dear student, one question I had given you as a homework. And one more thing I would like to tell you that it is very important to write the step of construction in each and every questions. Okay. So here we are going to start exercise 4.2 from practical geometry and we are using NCERT book. Clear? So here is question number 1. What is said that construct the following quadrilateral LIFT. What is the name of the quadrilateral is being given over here. We have to construct the quadrilateral and the name of the quadrilateral is given as LIFT. This is the name. Here the measurement is being given as 4 cm, IF 3 cm, TL 2.5 cm, IT is given as 4 cm. So these are the measurement which is being given by the this is the measurement given. Now our first duty is what? Our first duty is to draw a rough sketch of the following measurement. So let's see what is the measurement is given. So LIFT, it is asked about the quadrilateral. So quadrilateral we will draw like that. Clear? Remember, before starting the construction we are preparing a rough sketch. Okay. So here is LIFT. So if this one is a 4 cm, then IF will be 3 cm. Okay, TL is 2.5 cm, whereas IT, that means the diameter, is given as 4 cm. Clear? So this is the rough sketch of a quadrilateral. Clear? Now, first steps. This one is a rough figure or a rough sketch. Clear? Now, what we are going to do? We are going to construct a quadrilateral LIFT, isn't it? So first for that what we have to do? We have to create a base whose measurement is being taken as 4 cm. So for that, taking your scale, keep it on your copy, okay? Keeping in your copy, measure 4 cm. So here we are going to measure 4 cm with the help of your scale and a pencil. A straight line segment you have to make 4 cm and label it as 4 cm, label it as LI and measurement we have taken as 4 cm. Clear everyone? After this what we have to do? Next step is what? We have to create the next line. Here LT is given. LT is being given. So first we have to measure LT of 2.5 cm. So as you people are having the rounder, isn't it? Rounder you people are having in your home. Keep the scale on your copy. Keep the needle at the needle. That means this one is the needle part and this one is the pencil part of the rounder. Okay. Keeping the straight scale on our copy. Then the needle of the rounder you have to keep it at the zero of the scale. Then you have to stretch. This one is the pencil part, isn't it? This pencil part you have to stretch up to the, how much measurement you have to take? The measurement is 2.5. So here we have taken the measurement 2.5. Now removing the scale, the mouth of the rounder, this is the needle and this is the pencil, isn't it? The mouth of the rounder is having 2.5 cm. So that we have to keep at the center, here this point. This is L, so we have to keep the needle over here and with them we have to draw an arc like this. Understood up to here? Like this we have to draw an arc. Then next we are going to see IF, isn't it? IF we are having, how much measurement we are having? IF as 3 cm. Then again we will going to measure 3 cm on the mouth of the rounder. How to measure on the mouth of rounder? Keep the scale on the copy, then needle, the rounder needle you have to keep on 0 of the scale and stretching the pencil part of on the mouth of your rounder, how much centimeter you are having? 3 centimeter you are having. That point you have to keep it at I, because Fi we are going to create, isn't it? So keeping the needle at point I पे रखना है. देखो दिख रहा है I पे needle, I पे रख करके उसको एक arc बनाना है. Then you have to draw one arc. Okay, arc will be above. Why it is above? थोड़ा सा ऊपर क्यों जाएगा arc? Why it is so? The arc will be just above this. Why it is so? Because this distance we have taken as 2.5 and this distance will be above from this because it is 3 centimeter. That's why. Clear everyone? Now next step is that here it is said that we had taken this 3 measurement is over now, isn't it? Now our last measurement is left out is of IT, that is 4 centimeter. So how to measure IT? Take the scale, keep the scale on your copy, measure, keep the needle of the rounder on the scale of the 0, stretching the pencil part up to the 4 centimeter. Here we had measured up to the 4 centimeter like this. Okay. Now on the mouth of your rounder you are having 4 centimeter. That you have to keep it at point I. Okay. Keeping at point I, and we had IT. IT, that means here will be the IT somewhere. Then cancel that point. Okay. By making an arc you have to cancel it. Okay, like this you have to cancel it. So here we got an arc. Then after getting an arc, what we are going to do? We have to take our scale, then draw a line so that it join the intersection. बिना इंटरसेक्शन के कोई भी लाइन सेगमेंट नहीं पास होता. अगर हमारे पास एक है तो सेकंड इंटरसेक्शन लाइन होना जरूरी है, तभी उससे स्ट्रेट लाइन सेगमेंट पास हो सकता है. Clear everyone? Now since here we are having the intersection point, this point is known as intersection point, so that the another line can be passed through, and the name of that line we are going to give as LIFT. So this one will be T. IT. Okay. How much? IT we had measured as 4 centimeter, isn't it? So keeping the scale here like this, we have to draw a line because the diagonal is being made. So this is the 4 centimeter diagonal of a quadrilateral. IT. Clear everyone? Now after that, here we are having 4 centimeter. Then again on the mouth of the rounder we have to measure 4 centimeter. Clear? As the diagonal is 4 centimeter, keep the needle L at point L, draw one arc here. The arc is being drawn. Okay, the arc you will get with the help of the scale. What you have to do? You have to draw a line. Then join the line. This is the point F. So here you have to join the line. Clear? So like this way you will get. Now we can write the measurement. What the measurement? We had first taken LI as 4 centimeter, then IF as 3 centimeter, LT as 2.5 centimeter. This TI or IT we had taken the diagonal as 4 centimeter. Okay, so this kind of a figure you will get by using the rounder and a scale. Clear student? So dear student, after this completion of the construction, you have to write the step of construction. Okay, step of construction you have to write with your own words. Clear everyone? Now the next question, this have you understood how to draw? After this, second question we are having. So what is the second question? Here also it is said that to construct a quadrilateral, and the name of the quadrilateral is given as GOLD. This is name of the quadrilateral is given. Okay. Now you have to construct a quadrilateral of the different measurement is being given. So the measurement I am going to write on the board, that is OL is equals to 7.5 centimeter, GL is equals to 6 centimeter, GD is equals to 6 centimeter, LD 5 centimeter, OD 10 centimeter. So this is the different measurement which is given in a question. Okay, so first duty is what? Our first duty is to construct a rough sketch. Okay, so it is a quadrilateral. Name of the quadrilateral is GOLD. Okay, so here LO measurement is given as 7.5 centimeter. GL, that means the diagonal. This is the diagonal, isn't it? This is the diagonal whose measurement is given as 6 centimeter. Then GD measurement is given as 6 centimeter. Again LD measurement is given as 5 centimeter. Then OD, that is the second diagonal, measurement is given as 10 centimeter. Clear? Here the measurement is not given. GO measurement is not given on the screen. So for that, if the measurement GO is not given, then what you are going to take a base? You can change the diagram. Like suppose GO will be like this. Okay. Then keep GOLD, changing the measurement. Then OL we are having as how much? 7.5 centimeter. Then GL we are having as 6 centimeter. GD we are having 6 centimeter. LD we are having 5 centimeter. And OD we are having as 10 centimeter. Isn't it? So here, why we had changed the rough sketch from this to this? Because for this we didn't have any base. For this figure we don't have the base measurement. That's why we had changed this to here. Now, after creating the rough diagram, what we are going to do? We are going to construct a quadrilateral. For that, what will be the base? Baseline we are going to take as a 5 centimeter. Okay. So, keeping your scale on your copy, on the plane surface of your copy. Okay. Keep the pencil needle at point O at point 0 of the scale. Draw one straight line. Of how much centimeter? It will be 5 centimeter. Label it as a DL. Clear? After labeling that, what you have to do? By taking the rounder on the mouth of your rounder, how much you have to measure? On the mouth of your rounder, you have to measure how much centimeter? First it is given 6 centimeter, so we will going to measure 6 centimeter on the mouth of the rounder. So keeping the needle at point O, stretching the pencil part up to 6 centimeter. Okay, so here removing that, we got the measurement on the mouth of the rounder, how much centimeter? That is 6 centimeter. Clear? Now keep the needle at point O. Keeping the needle at point O, drawing the arc. Clear? After drawing that arc, again which centimeter we were going to take? 7.5. So keeping the scale on the plane of your copy, keeping needle at point 0 of the scale, stretching the pencil part up to 7.5. Then on the mouth of your rounder, how much centimeter we are having? That is 7.5 centimeter. Clear? Keeping the needle at point O. At point L, drawing another arc. Like this the arc we will get. Clear everyone? These two arc we had got by using 6 centimeter measurement and 7.5 centimeter measurement. After this, we are having the diagonals, isn't it? First diagonal is GL, whose measurement is 6 centimeter, and another diagonal's measurement is DO, whose measurement is 10 centimeter. So repeating the same process, keep the needle on the scale 0, stretching the pencil part up to the 10 centimeter. Okay, then removing the scale on the mouth of your rounder having 10 centimeter distance, keeping that needle since DO is equal to 10 centimeter, DO is equal to 10 centimeter. So here keeping the needle and stretching the part, we have to draw one arc. Clear up to here? After this, you had got the intersection point on both the sides, isn't it? Now draw a line which is passing through the intersection point. Clear? Like this you have to draw the line. Now, after drawing these two lines, what you have to do? Join these two lines. Clear? So this one is 5 centimeter. This measurement is 7.5 centimeter. L O G. Clear? Say here 6 centimeter. 7.5 centimeter. Diagonal is also there. Join the diagonal with the help of your scale and pencil. So here the diagonal GL is 6 centimeter and the diagonal DO. The diagonal DO so here the diagonal DO is equals to 10 centimeter. So like this way you will get a quadrilateral GOLD whose measurement is given like this. Clear, student? So after this you have to write the steps of construction. Whatever the things we people are going to do while constructing it, that we have to write in the statement form, words form we have to write, that you can write with your own. Clear, everyone? So here we had completed question number 2 also. Now next question number 3 is your homework. Try to do the third question. I will just explain you how to do that question. Okay? Here in this third part, it is asked to construct a rhombus. What is asked to construct? A rhombus is asked to construct whose measurement is given as BN is equal to 5.6 centimeter, DE is equal to 6.5 centimeter. And as you know that the rhombus, all the sides are having the equal measurement. The sides of the rhombus are equal, isn't it? So here B, E, N, D. This will be the figure of the rhombus. Now BN will be equals to 5.6 centimeter and DE, here it is E. Here E. So this one is 5.6 centimeter, B, E, N, D. So this diagonal will be 5.6 centimeter and DE, the diagonal this one will be 6.5 centimeter. Clear, everyone? So this figure you have to construct it. Now you will ask me, teacher, how you will going to construct with the help of a diagonal. So dear student, first what you have to do is you have to measure 5.6 centimeter on the mouth of your rounder, keeping the needle at point N. Draw one arc at above. Okay. Then in the same way, first keeping the needle here, draw an arc. Then after, what you have to do? A straight line will be going to passes. So for today, thank you everyone. So question number 3, exercise 4.2. Last question of this exercise. What is the question we are having here? We have to construct a rhombus. Okay, what you have to construct? A rhombus whose name is BENT. Measurement is given as BN is equal to 5.6 centimeter, whereas DE is equal to given as 5.6 centimeter. Now, for this first what you have to do? You have to create a rough sketch. So dear student, a rough sketch will be like this. A rhombus will be, as we know that in a rhombus all the four sides are equal, but in this question the diagonal measurement is given. So B, E, N, D. Okay. So DE given measurement how much? 5.6 diagonals, the two diagonal measurement is given here. So by using the diagonals we have to construct a rhombus, as we know that the rhombus property is that all the four sides are equal. Okay, so first thing is that take your scale, keep it on the plane of your copy, keeping the needle of your pencil at the zero of the scale and taking measurement 6.5, drawing one straight line. 6.5, you have to draw one straight line. Clear? Label it as D, E. How much measurement? 6.5 centimeter. Clear everyone? Now, as we know that this D and measurement is 5.6. So, if we are going to divide, since this intersection point we are getting, so intersection lines duty is what? To divide the line into two equal parts. So that's why 5.6 is the total measurement of the diagonal BN, which we are going to divide by 2. Why we are going to be divided by 2? Because the another diagonal DE is going to intersecting it, that's why. So here, this will be how much? 2 as 4, 16. So here it will be 2.8 centimeter. Now what we are going to do here, as keeping again on the needle, keeping again scale as a 6.5 centimeter. So what will be the center of 6.5 centimeter? That is 3 point something will be the center of the line. So marking the center. Why we are marking the center? In order to create intersecting line. Okay. Now 2.8 is there. So measuring on the mouth of your rounder, how to measure? I told you. Keeping the scale on the plane of your copy. Okay. The needle you have to keep it at 0, stretching the pencil part up to how much? 2.8. Now removing the scale, how much measurement you are having on the mouth of your rounder? That is 2.8 measurement. Okay. So here center we had already marked. So that center you have to make a what? The arc at the top and at the bottom. ऊपर और नीचे आपको arc बनाना है. ठीक है. So measuring 2.8, you have to make an arc at the top as well as at the bottom. Now create the same measurement arc at the bottom. Clear? These two arc have you got? After that two arc, what you have to do? Keeping the needle at point D, इस D पे needle को रख करके आपको इस 6.5 जो लाइन सेगमेंट है उसका more than half measure करना है. You have to measure more than half of that. In order to what you have to do? उसके लिए क्या करना है? For making the another arc like this. Now we had got an intersection point at the top and at the bottom. Now using your scale, draw one straight line. Using your scale, what you have to do? You have to draw one straight line. Clear? Like this, the straight line will be there. Have you understood? Now what you have to do? Since the measurements of the sides is not given, with the help of your scale, just join the line. D, B will be going to be joined as this is a B, this one is an N. Join B, E with the help of your scale, and in the same way you have to join E, N. Then after last D, N. So this one is the rhombus. Clear everyone? So this figure you will obtain by using the diagonals. Clear everyone? So dear student, today our exercise 4.2 is over. In the next class we are going to see the exercise 4.3.